Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Time YT. I am Lily. Today we are going to learn how to use do, does, and did through real-life English conversations. Let's start with do. We use do in the present moment in simple questions and negative sentences with I, you, we, and they. We can use it for daily life sentences. Let's understand from real conversation.
Hello, Lily. What do you do after work?
I usually go for a walk.
Do you go every day?
Yes, I do. It helps me relax. Yes, I do. It helps me relax.
Nice. Do you watch movies too?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So, everybody, did you see that we use do with I and you in the conversation? You can use it too. Let's move to another scene for understanding do.
Lily, do you need any help?
Yes, I do. I don't understand this email. Yes, I do. I don't understand this email.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Do you understand it now?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So everyone, remember with I, you, we, and they. We use do or don't in the present simple. Now let's understand does. We use does in present simple questions and negative sentences with he, she, and it. Here is the scene for does.
Lily, does your sister work at that cafe?
Yes, she does. Yes, she does.
Does she like her job?
Yes, she does. She loves it. Yes, she does. She loves it.
Does she work every day?
No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. So everyone, did you see we used do with she? And we can use it for any one person. Now let's move to another scene for does.
Does your brother live nearby?
Yes, he does. He lives 10 minutes away. Yes, he does. He lives 10 minutes away.
Does he drive to work?
No, he doesn't. He takes the bus. No, he doesn't. He takes the bus.
Does he like the bus?
Not really. So everyone, remember we say, does he work? Not does he works. Now let's understand did. We use did for past simple questions and negative sentences with all subjects. We can use it in conversations where we talk about yesterday.
Lily, did you go shopping yesterday?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruit and milk.
Did you cook dinner?
No, I didn't. I was tired. No, I didn't. I was tired.
What did you eat?
I had a sandwich. I had a sandwich. So everyone, did you understand that we use did for past actions? Now here is another scene for your better understanding.
Lily, I called you yesterday, but you didn't answer.
Oh, really? I didn't see your call. Oh, really? I didn't see your call.
Did you have your phone?
Yes, I did. I was in a meeting. Yes, I did. I was in a meeting.
Did you call me back?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry. No, I didn't. I'm sorry. Now let's revise them shortly. Do is used in present simple with I, you, we, and they. Does is used in the present simple with he, she, and it. Did in the past simple with all subjects. I hope that you liked today's lesson. Keep practicing with the English Time YT, and I'll see you in the next lesson.